rate in which we'll save that much money.
How do I look scared? Do I look scared?
Nani desu ka?
Stop saying that.
I don't even know what that means actually. It means like
It's
what?
like what, yeah.
Wait, what did you say we're gonna get?
Water.
And what?
Oh, look around.
Oh, we're getting something with water and make another list. Oranges? Do you need any like groceries or anything? No?
I don't know. I don't know.
But did you eat all your like peaches and stuff? Grapes?
Yeah, I finished those.
Alright, so you should probably get some fruit, right? Guac or something like that.
Nah.
3-pack of guacamole. You eat that for like a week.
My stomach hurts just looking at it. Right in the cart, please. Again? Okay.
Watch out, this people. Oh. Please don't fall, please don't fall.
My butt hurts. Glass? Nice. A baby streamer. Stop.
A what? A baby streamer?
Should get a price check on her at the register.
Baby streamer. Ooh, popcorn off.
About a half hour, 45 minutes ago, I have queued up, and I was like, oh God. I come in here and I see all the samples I'm taking them.
Strawberries.
Yeah, I didn't have any lunch
Which one do you
myself. No, you know
Just
how
pick
that is.
whatever, I'll
When
share.
you're hungry, no,
Pardon me,
absolutely.
sorry.
You know how that is. No, absolutely. I could agree with you on that.
Did I try the strawberries and fruit?
Sure,
What's zebra?
absolutely.
Is zebra like caramel and chocolate?
It is white chocolate, dark chocolate, caramel.
Ooh.
No, try it.
In
Absolutely.
unison, everyone. Ooh.
No, absolutely. You try that and see what you like.
Here we go, the taste test. Strawberry
Yes.
and cream, guys.
I like it.
There's a lot of flavors going on here.
Try as many as you like.
I just feel like it's kind of earthy with an undertone of...
Earthy? Does it
Just
taste
kidding.
like dirt?
No, I was just pretending like I was a wine connoisseur. Oh, zebra's pretty good.
Try as many as you like, sir. Try as many as you like.
But I tried the almond caramel.
Sure, absolutely.
Pretty good too. Kind of nutty, obviously. It's kind of nutty, like me.
You get it?
I never give him that satisfaction.
Yeah, try as many as you like.
Here.
Any 3 Cokes behind us, 13.59.
think
Next
Zebra's
to
the
next.
best.
They're gluten free and pumped in pure coconut oil.
ones? I think I like the sweet ones.
No, I'm not gonna get. Oh,
Any
you
allergy? No allergy?
I'll just take one and go.
You can buy it for your house. I'm not.
Janine would love this.
Well, Janine just loves snacks in general.
Janine needs to be stopped. Janine is a
But you're the one that buys it for her.
Janine is a monster.
You're the enabler.
I'm all like, Janine is a monster as I like give her a bag of pop.
Ooh, broccoli cheddar.
Taco?
Doesn't look ready.
You know what's funny? I never come to Costco in the daytime, so I always miss the samples.
That's true. Is there